Hi, my name is Diane. I am a patient here at Aqua Dynamics. About 6 to 7 months ago, I was by myself most of the time. All of a sudden, I had a pain in one of my knees, and then it seemed like my whole body just kind of gave out on me. I couldn't walk. It hurt to even take 3 or 4 steps. Emotionally, mentally, I hit a brick wall. I happened to go to my doctor who said, well, maybe it's time for a knee replacement. I started walking with a walker, which made me bend over even more when I tried to walk. And it was a real struggle getting here. And then when I discovered Aqua Dynamics, I was like, whoa, this is great. I first worked with Rachel. She made me feel so welcome, and she listened, and she was so down to earth. Then I started coming in 3 days a week. That includes, of course, regular walking, but I walk sideways, I walk backwards to help with my balance, and it was hard, but here I am now. I am so excited. I am finally walking around on my own, and just as of 3 or 4 weeks ago, I walk unassisted. I have built up so much strength in my legs. Have also, as a nice bonus, lost some extra weight from so much activity in the water. Aqua therapy is fun. Anytime I have an excuse to climb into that nice warm water and feel like I'm getting some exercise, it's fantastic. It's not like going to physical therapy and riding a stationary bike or doing floor exercises. I can't imagine what I would be like right now if I hadn't started to come here. It's been a blessing. I hope someday I can also let others know that this is the most incredible type of physical therapy that I've ever received. Definitely the most beneficial.